That's all. And now we need to fuel the mini bulldozer. Hooray! Let's remove the upper soil layer and add some fertile soil. And now let's wash the mini bulldozer. You're doing really great. Let's assemble a covered truck. Don't stop. Let's fuel the covered truck. That's all. Let's install the drip irrigation system. And now let's wash the covered truck. You're doing really great. We need to assemble a film laying machine. Hooray! Let's fuel the film laying machine. Amazing! Let's place the protective film on the soil and form rows. Let's wash the film laying machine. Keep up the good work. Let's assemble a tractor with carriage. Don't stop. First, let's fuel the tractor with carriage. Done. Let's buy strawberry seedlings and load them into a truck. We need to wash the tractor with carriage. We did it! We need to assemble a transplanter. Done! First, let's fuel the transplanter. Put the refueling gun in the tank. Done! Let's plant strawberries in the prepared planting holes. We need to wash the transplanter. Don't stop. Let's assemble a strawberry trimmer. Hooray! And now we need to fuel the strawberry trimmer. Put the refueling gun in the tank. Don't stop. Let's trim the strawberry beds. We need to wash the strawberry trimmer. Run the washer over the machine to clean up the rest of the foam. Don't stop. Let's assemble a market truck. Amazing! First, let's fuel the market truck. We did it! Let's collect the ripe berries and bring them to Farm Road in our big and sweet. And now let's wash the market truck. Keep it up. We need to assemble a soil sampling car. Keep up the good work. And now we need to fuel the soil sampling car. Put the refueling gun in the tank. We did it! Let's sample the soil for nutrients. We need to wash the soil sampling car. Ready.